Is the Bitcoin price potentially forming an absolutely gigantic bull flag pattern formation right here, right now, with a target up towards 87,000 USD? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. If we take a look at the price action here, dating all the way back into mid-October, we can actually see that Bitcoin has just largely traded sideways. It's been a sideways consolidation, but this is very interesting because it's consolidating after an absolutely massive run up. And this is what is now possibly going to act as the flagpole to a possible bull flag pattern formation. And of course, where you place the flagpole is obviously subjective, right? But right now, at my top resistance here at the prior swing high, if we place it there, this does give us a target all the way up towards 90,000 USD. And if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know on my last stream, I pointed out this very important Fibonacci target that we have here, dragging the fib from our old all-time high at about 65K down to the bottom there below 30,000. This does give us a 1.618 fib target up at about 87 to 88,000. Now, this is interesting, folks, because it is, in my opinion, in absolute and utter confluence with this potential bull pole target extrapolation up in that $88,000 to $90,000 range. Now, I'm just going to take a minute to explain what we're really looking for here from a potential bull flag pattern formation, because I feel over the past several weeks, especially with meme coins like Shiba Inu and other junk coins that have been going crazy, we have had a ton of new market participants enter. Largely, they do have the IQ of a peanut or a gumball, whichever you do in fact prefer. And some people don't understand what technical analysis is, right? So, for example, if we were to just dump from here, well, Kirby, you said we was going to 90,000 on a bull flag. No, I didn't say that, Stunad. What I told you is that we have a technical pattern here in the chart that if certain parameters are broken, which I'm going to get into in a moment, the probability for the pattern to play out increases. Okay, so let's go into what we're looking for here. As I stated a few moments ago, right, we've largely just traded sideways here. It's nice because after a run-up of this magnitude, it really wouldn't have been odd to see basically a V-shaped down, right? An upside-down V, something like that if the market were still going to look very bearish. Right now, the fact of the matter is that we've traded for nearly several weeks at this point, and we haven't seen a massive dump. We've just seen a bunch of sideways action. So if we are now going to actually break out of this range, that, my friends, is when the probability, in my opinion, per classical technical analysis theory, increases to the point where we could potentially expect a move up towards this flagpole extrapolation target. That doesn't mean we have to go there, right? Oh, we broke above resistance and then we dumped Kirby U. To be quite honest, ladies and gentlemen, it's very frustrating in the crypto space for me right now personally, as it feels like the IQ level of your average market participant has dropped to a level that, quite frankly, I find to be lower than your average person in modern society. Let's get this crypto. So for me right now, I mean, the chart, yes. I mean, things to me still look possibly bullish here. As I said, the consolidation is the main takeaway here. If we actually pull up the DMI, you can see just how neutral this trend is right now. Both the positive and the negative directional movement index lines on the one-day time frame are moving down in tandem. I mean, this is as big of a stalemate as you're going to see, folks. So right now, we're awaiting a breakout, either up above resistance or down below support. This is what we're waiting for, right? There's just not much else to comment on here besides that. Of course, if we break down, I mean, again, the fact that I even have to explain this is crazy, that we do have old potential support right down here at about 53 to 51,000. If we were to break below there, we have possible support between 42K and 39K. Obviously, the level below that is 30K to 29K, right? This isn't a one-sided analysis. That's what's actually crazy to me at this point, folks, is that if I show a bull flag pattern, a possible bull flag pattern here, people all of a sudden start to think that we can't go down. That is completely invalid. We haven't even seen a break / potential confirmation of the pattern yet. We're still just consolidating in what could be the flag. We need to see a break above resistance here to possibly confirm that, right? To increase the probability of reaching the potential target. Or if we don't happen to break that and we actually happen to drop down below here and break support, well, that's when the bull flag pattern starts to be negated, and we could start then targeting areas such as 53K to 51K, etc., etc. Let's get this crypto. Now, I hope that's easy enough for you to understand, and if you do appreciate that, please just give a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I really would appreciate that. And leave me a comment down below, folks. Just say, Kirby, I get it. Kirby, I understand. Thank you, Kirby. Just, I appreciate your comment, so if you could leave one and let me know that you're resonating with the information I'm sharing with you, I would really appreciate that. So beyond that, folks, right now it's really just a waiting game. Do we break this resistance here up at about 65K, or do we break this support down here at about 59K? We're going to need to see how this plays out. Right now, we are still seeing interesting developments here on the US dollar index chart, which, as we should all know, historically, we have seen an inverse correlation with the DXY and the Bitcoin price. Back here in 2017 through 2018, this was the massive crypto bull run as the DXY plummeted. Now here, starting from March in 2020 into the current day, well, really into January of 2020, we saw this massive decline. This led to the huge crypto bull market of 2020/2021. So if we are now going to see possible continued strength here in the DXY, I mean, as you can see on my chart here, we do have a possible bullish W pattern looking to possibly break this neckline right here, right now, with a measured move all the way up to about a 98. Currently, we are still in the 94 range. I mean, folks, seeing a move of this magnitude could certainly, in my opinion, look to put some pressure on the Bitcoin price. Doesn't have to happen. This time could be different, right? But the fact of the matter is, historically, we have seen that there has been somewhat of an inverse correlation. I'm just putting it on your radar that there is still always a possibility for a massive bull trap here, even though we do still see a ton of bullish action and we do have some very key bullish targets to look at, coupled with a possible bullish bull flag pattern on the Bitcoin chart. Let's get this crypto. So if you're wondering how I'm looking to tackle this range right here, if you're wondering what my trade ideas are and everything like that, I will be posting that all exclusively for you in VIP. If you're not already in my VIP, that is where I post all of my exclusive real-time entry ideas, trade setup ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything like that in absolute real time as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP and you'd like all of that exclusive content, don't miss my next post, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Don't miss my next important VIP post. And folks, until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.